Juliet, you get the best recipe. Of Juliet, you get the best recipe. Subscribe, share to your loved ones, subscribe.
Good day everyone, good day wherever you are. Today we are making Kpoms Dodo. Before we start, I want to appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And my new subscribers, thanks for coming. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you all. All my viewers, I appreciate you. I love you all. If you are not yet subscribed, you are still watching me now, please subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell. In case I load a new video, you will be the first to know. And like my video, share my video to your friends and family. Thank you everyone. Let's start. I'm going to peel the plantain. I washed it already. Okay, my beautiful people. I appreciate you all. You all are wonderful. You all are amazing. Thank you for your love. Because I can't take that for granted. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, my beautiful ones. God bless you. Now the plantain has been sliced, okay? I'm going to add salt, okay? Let me add the salt in. Okay. Now I'm going to on the gas. Sunflower oil. Okay.
When you come to Juliet home, go hungry the best.
I will leave it to hot. Okay.
The best recipe. Oh, yeah. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe.
In here we have the chili pepper and bell pepper, we have the onion, we have the garlic and the ginger. I didn't add water inside the blender. Okay, I'm going to blend it. I'm blending it without water, okay? Let's see. Yes, perfect this way. Okay, look at it. It's very perfect this way. Now we have sunflower oil inside the pan, okay? I will leave it to hot, okay? Now I'm going to pour the pepper Now I will add my seasoning, which is a non-powder seasoning, because I love this seasoning so much. And I will add salt to taste. Okay. I will stir. I'll just allow it to cook, okay?
When you come to Juliet home, go home.
Now I will add cooked momo. This one is my mom's. This is what I'm calling Kpoms. Momo. As you can see, I cooked the momo already, okay? It's cooked already. I'm going to add it inside. This is the Kpoms, this is the Kpoms. Momo has a nickname now by Juliet. Kpoms. I call it Kpoms. This is our Kpoms. And I will just leave it to cook for 1 minute, okay? We have spring onions, okay? I'm going to chop it, okay? Now I'm going to add spring onions, okay? Spread together. And I will add the fried plantain, okay? And you stir together. This is our Kpoms Dodo. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful and it's ready. Try this, my beautiful ones. Try it. It's very yummy. Kpoms Dodo. Wow, this is great. If you notice, I didn't allow my spring onions to cook very well. Okay? I love it that way. It's ready. It's very yummy. Okay. Thank you, everyone. As you can see, I dished mine already. So yummy and beautiful. My beautiful ones, try this. When you try it, you and your family will enjoy it. Thank you, my viewers, my subscribers, everyone. I appreciate you all. You guys are amazing. I love you all. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. Thank you, everyone. If you are not yet subscribed and you are watching me, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell. In case I load a new video, you will be the first to know. Share my video to your friends and family. And like my video. Thank you, everyone. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.